Milan is Italy's second largest city, and its capital of finance, industry, fashion, and let's face it, European football as well. And my favorite way to enjoy the city is Milano by night. And if you want to rub elbows with Milan's glitzy and glamorous crowd, then come have dinner or a drink in the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. And if you want your fill of fashion when you're in Milan, there's only one place to get it, and that's the Via Monte Napoleone. And if it's music that you're after, then you can catch an opera or a ballet at one of the most famous theaters in the world, the Teatro alla Scala. So if you're coming to Milan, be sure to get out once the sun goes down. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming weekly here in Italy.